Hello and welcome to Knowledge Bhai, where we unlock the power of information.
Design thinking is very crucial stage for engineers. While process of design thinking, there is one of the most important and unavoidable step is empathize. Empathize, where we try to understand the feeling and need of the customer or the people, where we can feel the or we can bridge the particular gap. So in today's session, we will go through this. Empathy start with the observation. We have to observe the user in context, and we can try to understand the position of the particular person or a customer, where that particular person is feeling the gap. So we try to fulfill that particular gap. Second stage is that is a engage or interview. We can communicate with the people or the customer, and we can collect data by using a interview technique and other techniques, and we can engage to the see. Ultimately, design thinking is about solving the problem. So without understanding the particular problem, we cannot go for a next stages. So we need a engagement through various methods like interview method and observation method. Then we can go for the uh, data collection. We can go for the some stratify. We can use data collection method. So above use such kind of things we can use, and uh, we can collect the data. Ultimately we can go for the something new. Next is the immerse means experience the user's world. Means what, we have to communicate with the people and we have to feel their issue or their problem. We need to experience a user's world. Experience users world means what the person can feel about the particular situation. We can understand through that, and we can go for the next stage. Means what, we are collecting data through observation, engagement, and immerse means experience in the user's world. Means you try to understand the what kind of problem are the facing by the people through their point of view. The point of view is a matter. Next is a capturing insight. After doing the three stages, next is a recording the key findings. Whatever observations we have done, or what kind of findings we are coming to conclusion, that those things are we are collecting through the capturing through the recording the key findings. And key findings are very essential. Through observation, through engagement, and through experiencing, we are collecting the loopholes, and that loopholes we try to fulfill. Ultimately we are bridging the fulfilling the gap. And next is that empathy mapping. Here there are four things: says, thinking, does, and feels. These what we do, we collect one map where we empathize the particular person's content. We organize the what kind of things, what kind of outcomes are there, or what kind of shortcomings are there. We are trying to map that to this stage, and in this stage we communicate, we do something, and we try to feel about our particular customer or people. And next one and most important, identify needs. Here what we do, we define the users need. Exactly what customer want or what user want particular about a particular product or particular service or particular mobile application or something web services. So in design thinking, what we do, we identify the basic need, and for identifying the basic need, we already follow the five stages. And if through five stages, observation, engage, immerse, capture insight, we go for the next stage. And next stage is about the define the problem. This is the ultimately most important point, where we define the exactly what kind of problems are arised by the person or the people. And we that doing that, we can define the problem. And in the next stage, in designing stage, findings from empathize process, ultimately we are going to used in the next stage of our design thinking, that is define problem. And ultimately defining the problem is the starting of design thinking. For next stages of design thinking, and subscribe my channel. Thank you.